Hi everyone, this is Parminder this side. I'm again with the next video where I'm going to speak some of the riddles and you have to find the answers for that riddles. Are you all ready? Yes, fine. So let me let me speak some riddles, but you have to name the animal or the bird which I'm going to explain or which I'm going to make a riddle of. Are you all ready, my partners? Yes. So, for my first riddle, I'm so tall as a tree. That's good, mostly. Though drinking water is a bit of tough for me. Yes. Who's the animal? Yes, that is so easy. This is giraffe. So second, each one of us has different streaks. Each one of us has different streaks. None the same, but also alike. Who? Yes? Yes, it's zebra. Right. So third is, I may be African or Asian. I love water. Don't you? I love water. Don't you? Everybody's love water. Guess how many muscles my trunk has? One lakh? Many zeros, not few. Elephant. Yes. So next I have my next animal. Then you have to guess that. And this is I roll like a wind. Shh. Don't get me in my way. Unlike the tiger, I hunt in a day. Yes? Yes, yes. Yes. This is cheetah. Yes. So next I'm a bird who can't fly, but you may not doubt on me even if you try. This is emu, emu, emu. Yes. So next I scoop of fish. I scoop of fish in my pouch. Pouch. Down my throat. This is my throat. Down my throat it goes munch, munch, munch. So this is pelican. Right. So next I have a strong tail. Tail. Yes. I can hop, hop, hop. Leap, leap, leap. Yes, this is my specialty. I also have a special pouch. Can you see my joopy? Who is this? This is kangaroo. Ooh, yes. So next I love the leaves. Leaves, I love. Of the eucalyptus tree. Come to Australia and visit me. Who is this? So this is koala bear, black bear. Yes. So next I'm a great swimmer, white as a snow. When I creep towards the seals, they never know. Who is this? Yes, it's polar bear. Right. So next is I haul myself from the cold water with my tusk so long. It a tusk so long. Yes, they are that strong. Who is this? This is walrus. Right. It's freezing where we live. Freezing, snowing. We need to keep warm. In the snowing, we need to keep warm. So we huddle together together through the icy storms. Who is this? Penguins! Penguins, penguins, next is each of my wing would be taller than you. Yes, I have the longest wingspan and I glide for hours I too. Glide means? Yes, this is glide. It is albatross. Albatross. Yes, it is very dangerous bird. Yes. So next is I'm intelligent and deadly. Watch out for my tail. Tail. I'm also called a killer whale. Who is this? This is orca. Yes, it's a fish, orca. So next I slither and hiss in forest and deserts. Why you can't find me even in the sea? Yes. Snake. Yes. Next is I sting when I'm angry. Angry. Don't be fooled by my size, huh? You will stay away from me if you are wise. Stay away from me. This is a warning. And who is this? Scorpion. Yes. Last but not the least, I have a hump full of fat. Fat. When there is no food, I survive on that, on my hump. This is so easy. I know you all have just guessed who the animal is this. Yes, this is camel. Camel. Yes. So my dear children, these all were the riddles to just make you understand everybody has some of the speciality. हर एक बंदे में कुछ ना कुछ स्पेशल है, which makes you special. Some of the qualities, some of the adjectives we have, which make us special. I can teach you very good. This is my specialty. And you can learn so good. This is your specialty as a student. Right? So everybody has a specialty. Maybe you are tall and somebody is short. So these all are differ from the person to person, right? हर एक बंदे में अलग अलग specialty है. But I would like to tell you some of the values which you have learned from this all the riddles and all. Let me just explain you. First is you are special. So each one of us is special, right? We may alike in some ways and different in other ways. कुछ चीज़ों में हम दोनों सेम हैं और कुछ चीज़ों में हम दोनों अलग हैं. And it happens in everyone's personality. It differs from everyone. How? अगर मेरे को पढ़ना आता है, I'm good in reading, and somebody else is also good in reading, then these are the specialties of ours, right? We are similar in this way. And maybe I love reading and you don't love your reading, right? Then this will be different, right? Then other thing, this was the first thing, you are special. This is the first, you may say, value or etiquette. Second is know what you are good at. आपको पता होना चाहिए कि where your interest lies or where you are good at. Each one of us has something we are good at doing. हर एक बंदा कुछ ना कुछ अच्छा और कुछ ना कुछ अच्छा करने में माहिर होता है, right? Think about what you are good at doing. ये सोचो कि आप क्या चीज़ अच्छे से कर सकते हो, in which you are good at doing. Some things may take more effort to learn. कुछ चीज़ें ज़्यादा टाइम लेती हैं लर्न करने में, कुछ एफर्ट्स ज़्यादा लेती हैं और कुछ नहीं लेती है. बट हमें कभी भी गिव अप नहीं करना चाहिए. वी नेवर टू गिव अप, राइट बच्चे? यस. सो द लास्ट बट नॉट द लीस्ट इज treat others with respect, because everybody is special. You are also special, so we are not to insult others. We are not to speak anything bad at others. We always should respect others. Fine, bache? Hope you like this video and you have learned a lot, and you are going to follow the words which I have make you understand right now. Thank you and have a nice day. We'll meet you in the next video. Bye bye everyone.